Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is Jerry, and in this video we're gonna have a quick look at this, the 2022 MG ZST Essence. This is the top of the train, top of the lineup for the MG ZS and ZST range in New Zealand and the Australian market. So this vehicle is finished in diamond red metallic. This is the iconic MG red color. And powertrain. This has a 1.3 litre turbocharged petrol engine, produces 115 kilowatts, and 230 Nm torque with the 6-speed automatic gearbox. A lot of people say this is probably the best gearbox in the MG lineup. It definitely certainly drives really well. Sorry for the noise at the background. So as standard, we have a 17-inch alloys. This is two-tone finish, machine finish. In New Zealand, Australia, we will have the Michelin Primacy 3 tyres, so a comfortable tyre with reduce the noise. And as standard on all the ZST Essence, we're gonna have this black trim at the back and thick exhaust pipes, but black trim underneath. And LED tail lights at the back as well. A few tankers on the driver's side. Silver door handlebars, silver door trim, and silver roof rails on the top. And also you'll notice the black trim underneath, so that's something you can tell the difference between the ZST Core and the ZST Vibe against the ZST Excite and ZST Essence. And again, black trim all over, black trim surround under the MG logo on the grille. At the front, we also have a full LED lights on the top with LED daytime running, and at the bottom, just a fog light at this stage. Let's have a look at the boot space, which is the logo on the top. Pick this up. So we have a nice flat floor with a bit more storage on the side. You will have a space saver in New Zealand, Australian market. You can also drop this down to a lower level, so that creates a much bigger space. So overall there's about 360 liters of boot space on this vehicle. You can take the trim off, you can remove the seats if you need to drop the seats, I mean. From the back, so full leather seats, synthetic leather by the way, to the back, and tons of room for driving position. This is my driving position at the front, so tons of space for 5 people, 5 adults. And we have a panoramic sunroof on the top with a cover in between. And at the front we have full leather seats. You'll notice the MG logo on the headrest. That's only available on the ZST Essence, this top spec. Again, heated front seats and electric adjustment. That's only available on the top spec ZST Essence for now. So traditional MG steering, it's pretty much same across the range. Indicator and windscreen wiper on the right hand side. And the nice thing about this is the full digital display, so that allows you to change all the things, check all the things about your battery, about your tires, everything. And we also have this full screen that you could have a 10-inch display, allows you to have navigation, radio, music and aircon, and 360 camera, and the phone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle also have a full suite of driving features, including speed assist systems, lane assist, MG Pilot, which is adaptive cruise control, forward collision system, and blind spot detection, rear traffic cross alert. So tons of features available. And this is how the 360 camera looks like, just like that. At the bottom, direct buttons for aircon and other switches, gear lever, electric handbrake, so that's quite a handy thing. On the top, we can also control the sunroof. Press the button where the shade opens up, and then I can switch this to open the glass. The glass cannot go, the first half of the glass can go all the way back, like this. Heavy, it looks cool. So yeah, this is pretty much a quick tour about the MG ZST Essence in diamond red. If you're looking to purchase one of the vehicles in Auckland, we are opening a new dealership this week, 1st of July. 2022, and I'll be there. If you're interested in one of these vehicles, please contact me. My name is Jerry, and I'll leave my email address and phone number in the description down below. And if you want to visit us, we are just in front of the Ormston Pack and Save, or just part of the Ormston Mall. So on 3 Bellingham Road in Flatbush. So come and say hi, come and see us if you would like to purchase one of these vehicles from us. All right, thanks for watching all the way to the end, and subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.